Apparently this is what cats want. Let's test. You like? You want this? Oh, okay. You sniff it. Okay. Would you like to have it? Yes, you do. You're standing up. That's weird. Okay. All right. Let's prepare the meal for Mrs. Seven. We have to put this into the bowl. Usually just dump it in, you know, and let it sit there. Okay. Let's see if Mrs. Seven enjoys her meal. You ready? Okay, come over here. We will have it. There you go. How is that meal working out for you? Is it good? You left a bunch of ham on the floor. Okie dokie. Good night.